Are you facing cellular service issues or network problems on your iPhone? This can happen due to various reasons, including poor network coverage, software glitches, or incorrect settings. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue so you can restore your iPhone's cellular connectivity. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. Open Settings on your iPhone. Toggle Airplane Mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Solution 2. Reinsert SIM card. Removing and reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. Power off your iPhone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it. Power your iPhone back on and check for connectivity. Solution 3. Enable 4G or 5G from voice and data settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Tap on Cellular Data Options. Tap on Voice and Data. Select 4G or 5G to prioritize both voice and data. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Check your carrier and update settings. Updating your carrier settings can resolve connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, tap on About. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier settings. If there is nothing, go back, tap Software Update. If you find new updates here, then update your iPhone with the current software version. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can fix connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix cellular service and network issues on your iPhone. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.